Hello everyone, today we will show you how our image processing application for screw recognition works. First of all, you must launch the application. If you don't already have it, you can download it with the link in the description. The installation is quite easy. Once the application is downloaded and launched, you should have this. So first press on the Start Pause button, take an image and keep it in the memory for the program. So, it is important to do it in a fixed place, without moving the environment after the process, and need to be empty, without any screw to recognize. Then, launch the image processing with this button, and you should have a white screen in the area provided for this purpose. After that, you can put an object in front of the camera, and you should see a black spot representing the object. It will tell you if it recognizes a screw or not. To do this, each light turns green when a condition is met, and there are three conditions. The first is the color of the object. The algorithm looks at the color of the image at the location of the black spot and determines if its color corresponds to a grayscale. The second condition is the proportion of the object. Its length divided by its width, to be exact. We determine if this proportion is within a plausible range for a screw. And finally, we have the surface of the object on the image. To not have problems with the resolution, we put it in percentage relative to the size of the image received by the camera, rather than in pixel.
This allows us to determine if we are dealing with a screw or a much larger object with the same proportions, like a pencil. Once the three conditions have been met, the large LED lights up to show the user that the object presented is a screw. You can also pause the camera at any time via the play pause button. The same goes for the image processing. Your environment will influence the quality of the object recognition, such as the distance of the camera from your workspace or the brightness of the room. To overcome this problem, you can change the tolerance range of each parameter using the corresponding sliders next to the lights. You can calibrate them to allow the application to recognize the screw in your environment, but do not set the interval too large to not falsify the results. Remember to keep your intervals value somewhere because the application will not keep them when it restarts. It will reset the default values that are displayed on the screen here. You can also see on the application that there are two arrays. One will display the four corners of the black spot once the image is processed, and the other one will tell you the length, the width, the area, the center, and the angle of the object. The camera resolution drop-down list is only used for computing the area of the object.